Hi mga siswang! So welcome back to my channel again. And so on, malapit na rin tayo matapos yung 4-season collaboration natin mga sis. Ito na yung pinakahuli, last but not the least. For this video mga sis, gagawa ulit tayo ng another makeup tutorial na naman. So, ito rin yung continuation ng 4-season collaboration natin mga sis. Ito na yung pinaka-last, which is autumn season. Ayan, yung content natin ngayon ay gagawin natin yung Autumn Queen makeup look. Ayan. So, before we start our video mga sis, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell below for updates. Bye!
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. The world is dead but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights.